the Kid TV.
So what's up, Brent crew? So I'm Brent's mom, and this is Brent the
Kid.
whoop whoop. So today we're gonna be doing a volcano experiment.
Yay.
Are you ready at home? We're ready. Let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's go, baby. So this is the volcano here. Yeah, you wanna hold it for the camera? Whoop, whoop. So I got it on Amazon for like 13 bucks, y'all. Super cool, right? So I can't wait for us to do this volcano. So let's take out all the bits and pieces that come in the box. So that's okay. Here we go. Pull them all out. Oh, goggles. Oh yeah. Safety, baby. So Brent the kid took out all the contents of the box. So it comes with this little instruction manual and different colors. What color is this?
Red.
Red? Okay, perfect. And what color is this?
And green.
It looks kind of blue to me. It doesn't look blue to you? Okay, so this is our little volcano. Cute, right? So, you and all your cards. So, I'm gonna put your cards like right here, real quick. And then we're gonna take out some of this packaging. Are you excited? Me too. Let's get started. So we need
My what?
sodium bicarbonate and citric acid, right? Okay, so get your measuring spoon and I will give you want red and blue this time? Let's do red and blue. How about that? So here's a little red. I'm gonna add some blue.
Yay.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. And then I'll add some blue. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Now dump it in the volcano.
Oh, that is cool.
It's cool. And now we're going to get some citric acid and pour it in. Oh yeah. And then once we're done with that, we're gonna get some water.
Yay.
And you have to mix it with a stir stick. So mix it together.
Where?
Right here. Mix it really, really good. Mix, 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 mix. And then once you mix it, let's pour the water. The volcano eruption. Whoa! That's the best one, right? I love it. What about you?
It's bigger.
Bigger? Better, huh? Big like your head? Oh my god. How awesome.
Red. Look at red.
You want red? Okay. And look at this. Like every time we do this, it sends out all these little splatters. And look at the paper. Isn't that cool? Super cool. Whoa. Here we go. And we'll do red and we will do blue again. Okay, let's dump in the red. There we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And now let's jump into blue. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Dump that in. And now we're gonna add some citric acid. There we go. And once you put in your citric acid, then you're going to stir it together. Citric acid. This is what makes it bubble like that. Like all the bubbles Now you're going to stir it really, really well. Stir, 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 stir. And then once you stir it, you're going to pour in the water and then boom! It's a volcano. So pour it in nice and slow, nice and slow. Whoa! Look at all of those bubbles. Isn't that cool? How cool, kid? Cool. Stir, stir, stir. Let's add some more water and see what happens. Add a little more. Just a little. Whoa, watch your face. Whoa. Look at all those bubbles. So, what do you think about the volcano experiment?
Good.
You like it?
More.
More what?
More.
Alright, crew, what did you all like about the video? Click subscribe, click the like button, and comment below.